ever felt like you were finally at peace, but you didn't know what to do with the quiet that followed? That's the energy that we're in right now. That in between space, the healing that turns into wisdom. That is the energy that we are in right now. You may feel this void. You may feel this, I don't get it. You may feel this, what's really happening energy, but you're resting in your power. You are resting in your power now, my friends. Welcome back. Take a deep breath with me through the nose and out through the mouth. It's October 9th, guys, and the air feels different. Tomorrow we got that 10-10 portal. Not heavy, not rushed, just still. Like the universe itself has taken a seat beside you and whispered, you made it through. The waves, the ocean, the quicksand. You made it through. Now, rest in what you've become. Just rest. You know, some of us want to always speed. Some of us want to always hurry up, get me to the next level. Hurry up, let me get this done. Hurry up, but it doesn't get nowhere because it's not time for it to really come into fruition, come into its place where it's time for it to do its work. You cannot push things. And now we're in this energy of taking it slow. Rest within your power. You got a lot of power, my friends. You just don't know how much power you have due to sometimes self-sabotaging yourself, due to sometimes not having your way right away, but you have a lot of power within you. You just got to be patient with it. You just got to let it flow. Because remember, the ones upstairs are the ones in control. Even though we got control of ourselves, they're the last ending at the end of the day. All watching us. So take your time now. Remember, you're in this wave, you're in this ocean, like I always say. Take your time. Let yourself be the flow. Let yourself be in stillness. We talk so much about growth, alignment, healing, but no one talks about rest. No one talks about just take 5 minutes to yourself. Just take 10 seconds to yourself. Just take something to yourself. No one talks about it. Everybody just talks about hurry up, I want to get to this place, proving this, proving that. And I'm not talking about just sleep, but that spiritual rest that happens when you finally stop chasing the next thing and just stand in your own light. Let things come to you. Let things really let yourself receive in this time. We're so much of pushing, going that we never stop and actually receive. We never stop and actually enjoy the view. Now is that time too. Now is that time to just say, you know what? Whatever you guys' names are, or whatever you like to call yourself, take a break. Jen, take a break. Traveling souls, take a break. Now, remember, I said our souls are always traveling, and that is what this name of this channel is, Traveling Souls, because our souls stay traveling. If we don't stop, our soul will just keep going. We got to enjoy the view. We got to enjoy the journey. Not just the destination that we got there, but the journey. That's why I say sometimes just go outside, look at the sky, look at the moon, look at the clouds, look at the stars, because it's a different journey up there. It's slow moving. And down here, we're too fast. Maybe for you, this month has been teaching you about boundaries. And I feel like a lot of you have been learning about your boundaries, your respect for yourself. Maybe it's been reminding you to slow down. Or maybe it's just been showing you how powerful you truly are and how you don't need to prove it to anyone anymore at all. We were in these phases where we had to hurry up and help just to prove we can help. No. Now we're going to sit back. You've done the work. You've cried the tears. You've let go of what needed to be released. Now the work is to stay open. Stay open to receive. Just let yourself flow. And if some of you are asking how, just sit down. Sit on the floor, sit, stand, wherever you are, just and let receive. Receive that little wind gust that comes blowing your way. Receive that little chill that comes on your arms or behind your neck. Just let it come to you. Don't think, how is it going to come to me? Just let it come to you. You ever notice when we're not even thinking about it, some good things just come to us? It's like, man, I forgot about that. Yeah, you planted the seed and now you let it grow. And it grew and it came back because it was meant for you. You just got to let things flow sometimes. Remember, holding too much control in our hands will turn things into crumbs and slip through our fingers. Okay? Stay calm, stay present. Right now, for this month of October, you have no choice but to stay calm and stay present because we are shifting, because it's the hunter's moon in this full moon energy, because it's the equinox and the solar eclipse kissing each other right now. That is the energy that we're in. So as much as you try to push things to hurry up and get done, hurry up and this, it's not going anywhere. You're meeting it with friction right now. And if some of you are meeting that with friction, write it in the comments because I want to know, okay, you're meeting in the friction, and then I will send you a message after that to tell you what to do to release that friction. But some of you are feeling that friction. Some of you are like, yeah, I need to just sit back. I am feeling that door in my face every 5 minutes. I try to do something that I'm just maybe guessing. I'm not really putting in the energy into it. Let it flow. Everything is letting flow. Everything is resting right now in your power. Remember, you hold the power. There's a kind of peace that only comes when the storm has already passed. You ever feel that calmness after the storm? It's like, that's what's happening. You know that feeling. It's like the air smells clean, it smells different, like it's gonna rain, and then your body feels tired but steady, and then there's a quietness of gratitude humming under your skin. Like I said, it's like that aurora, that lightness, like, ooh, this feels different. This feels light. You know when yourself feels light. And this is what it's doing when it's resting in your power. That lightness is here for you. Don't ignore it. Don't be like, oh, I gotta go. I feel so tired. I'm saying, hi, it's your universe, your spiritual guides talking to you, telling you to chill out, take a break. Don't ignore it. You won't miss anything. Because, like I said, what's for you will never miss you. Just keep going in your pace because if you yourself is not energized, is not grounded, is not aligned, how is all the other abundance and manifestation supposed to come? If you're all overwhacked, overtired, just overdrained. You got to be right for you in order to receive all the things that you've been planting, that you've been wanting. Okay? You got to take your time with that. The universe doesn't always want to move fast. Like I say, like you look at the clouds, how slow they actually move. Sometimes it asks us just to be still long enough to hear the whispers. Again, that stillness again, that, okay, that's what I need to do again. You know, when you start talking to yourself, you're not crazy. It's just the energies around you that are invisible talking to you, whispering to you, nudging you, giving you some clarity as you sit in your stillness of trying to find that clarity. All right, now. Sometimes you'll hear the whisper say, you are safe, stop striving. You are safe, trust yourself. You are safe to be. Whew. We are releasing. Remember when I said if you yawn, you cry, you sneeze, you're releasing. So whatever dark energies, whatever things that have been stagnant, they are now coming out. One more time for me. You are safe to stop striving. You are safe to trust people. You are safe just to be. Take that pause for a second, my friends, because that pause is everything. That pause is everything we've been wanting. Every time we just want to pause, and that pause is not there for us. Your pauses are here for you now. You take your pauses whenever you need to. Do not drain yourself. Do not be hard on yourself. As you're listening to this, you may be feeling like you're in between the endings and beginnings, between clarity and confusion. But know that it's okay not to have all the answers right now. It is okay. The space between is fertile ground. Remember, we stand on earth, grounding our root chakra, our feet outside. That's why I always tell you, if you feel like you're floating, if you feel like you're not grounded and your feet aligned, go outside. Walk outside. Let the earth give you some energy because it's there for you within your root chakra, your feet. It's where you breathe. It's where the seeds you planted finally start to root. Some of you feeling like, I don't see it happening. And some of you like, I see a little bud. Be in the believe it to see it instead of seeing to believe. Change your mindset now because a lot of aha moments is coming for you now. It's coming to show you as we come to this next 1010 portal tomorrow. So maybe today take a walk with your phone, without your phone actually. Sit in silence for 5 minutes and just listen to your breath. Or simply do nothing, guilt free, because doing nothing is also a divine act of creation when it's done with intention. So when you think, I'm just sitting here now, no, you really are doing something. It's resetting you, it's refocusing you, it's pouring into you the new energy that you need for that little 10 seconds you just sat there to give yourself a little breather. You'd be surprised what you receive when you just sit for a second. You'd be very surprised. So we forget that even the moon rests. It wanes, it disappears, and yet it always returns. Brighter, bolder, sometimes but always in her rhythm. You are no different, my friends. Your rhythm is scarce too. And in this moment is your exhale. Let's breathe together one more time. Inhale for 4, hold for 2, exhale for 6. Beautiful. You got to take your time with yourself. And if coming here helps you take your time for a little of 20 minutes, then so be it, my friends. I welcome you here. Your calmness is welcomed here. Your stillness is welcome here. As you move through the next few days, carry this truth with you. You don't have to force what is meant for you. You don't have to overthink what's already aligning. And you definitely don't have to rush the unfolding of your story. We all have a different timing right now. And you're already in your light. You're just learning to rest inside it now. Feel it. Put your hand on your heart for me, guys. And just feel your beat beating. This beat is beautiful. I thank you, all of you, for coming here today. Because if this message found you, it was meant to be. It was meant to. Take care of your energy. Stay soft with yourself. And let your light rest a little. It's done so much already. The next video for the 1010, hit it, click it, go right to it after this, guys. Because it's going to take you on a different journey, like I've been saying these last couple of days. Hit that little button up top to go to the next video. You'll feel it. You'll breathe it. You'll understand it. Breathe, trust, remember, you are peace you've been waiting for. Remember that.